Everyone says AI creates new jobs, but a massive new CEO survey just revealed something completely different. 99% of business leaders are actively planning to replace their workforce with AI automation within the next 24 months. Here's what that actually means for your career. Hey everyone, I'm Mohamed, founder of Digital Dev. Today we're diving into a reality check that most people are avoiding: the actual data behind AI workforce replacement. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly which jobs are at highest risk, which roles are actually thriving in this new economy, and most importantly, how to position yourself so you're not left behind. Let's break this down. So let's start with the headline number that everyone's talking about. According to the recent CEO survey we're analyzing today, 99% of Fortune 500 and mid-market executives have AI workforce replacement on their roadmap. Not thinking about it, not exploring it, actually planning it with budgets and timelines. Here's the breakdown. 67% of these CEOs plan to implement major automation within the next 12 months. Another 32% are targeting the 12 to 24-month window. This isn't some theoretical future scenario anymore. This is happening right now, in 2024, with concrete deployment timelines. What's really interesting is the investment numbers. Companies are allocating an average of $4.2 million per company toward AI automation projects specifically designed to reduce headcount. That's not money going toward AI tools to make workers more productive. That's money being spent to replace workers entirely. Now, not all jobs are created equal when it comes to AI displacement. The data shows clear patterns about what's vulnerable and what's not. Highest risk: data entry, customer service, basic accounting, content moderation, and administrative roles. These jobs involve repetitive, rule-based tasks that AI can now handle better and faster than humans. The survey shows 78% of companies are targeting these roles specifically. Customer service is number one on the hit list. AI chatbots are already handling 70% of Tier 1 support inquiries at leading companies. Medium risk: marketing, graphic design, basic coding, HR operations, and financial analysis. These roles are being augmented rather than replaced, but the workforce needed is shrinking. Companies report they need 40% fewer people in these roles to accomplish the same output. At Digital Dev, we help businesses with exactly this kind of automation. We've seen clients reduce their design teams by 30% while actually increasing output quality. Low risk: strategic leadership, complex problem solving, client relationships, and specialized expertise roles. These are actually growing. Companies need humans who can manage AI systems, interpret results, and make high-level decisions. But here's the catch: the number of these roles is much smaller. Let's talk about what the next 24 months actually looks like based on what CEOs are telling us. Quarter 1 to 2, next 6 months, most companies are in implementation phase. They're deploying automation tools, training their current workforce to use AI, and running pilots. Some layoffs are happening, but mostly through attrition and non-replacement of departing workers. Quarter 3 to 4, months 6 to 12, this is when things accelerate. Companies that completed successful pilots are scaling. We're seeing 45% acceleration in automation deployment in this window based on historical data from similar tech transitions. Actual workforce reductions intensify here. Year 2, months 13 to 24, the replacement wave hits. By month 18 to 24, companies that committed to automation are seeing their target reductions realized. The survey shows 56% of companies expect to hit their stated workforce reduction targets by end of 2026. Here's what matters for you. You probably have 6 to 9 months to make yourself less replaceable. That window is closing fast. The urgency varies dramatically by industry, and this matters because it determines your timeline. Tech and software companies are moving fastest. 89% have concrete AI replacement plans active right now. Financial services is second at 76%. Retail and e-commerce at 71%. Healthcare and professional services are slower at around 48 to 52%, but still moving. Why the difference? It's simple. Industries with the most repetitive, digitized work are easiest to automate. Industries where human judgment and relationships are core are slower to change. But don't get comfortable if you're in healthcare or professional services. The survey shows these sectors are accelerating their timeline specifically because they see what's happening in tech. Okay, so now you know the reality. What do you actually do about it? 3 concrete moves. Move 1. Become an AI expert in your field. This doesn't mean learning to code. It means understanding how AI can do your job and becoming the person who implements and manages it. The most valuable people in 2026 won't be those who do the work. They'll be those who direct the AI that does the work. Learn your industry's AI tools. Get certified if possible. This is the fastest way to go from replaceable to invaluable. Move 2. Develop the skills AI can't do yet. Creative problem solving, strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, client relationships, complex decision making. These are the skills that remain scarce even as AI advances. If your current job is 90% AI doable, start building expertise in the 10% that isn't. Move 3. Think like a business owner about your own career. This is the hardest one, but it matters most. Instead of thinking, what job can I get? Think, what problem can I solve that's valuable enough that someone will pay for it? Can you help businesses implement AI automation? Can you consult on workforce transitions? Can you train teams on AI tools? These are the emerging high-value roles. Don't wait for your company to announce layoffs to make moves. Here's what you do in the next 3 months. Month 1. Audit your job. Write down everything you do weekly. Then mark which tasks could be automated with current AI tools. Be honest. If 70% of your job could be done by AI today, you're in the high-risk category. Month 2. Upskill strategically. Focus on AI literacy in your specific field. If you're in marketing, learn ChatGPT for campaign strategy. If you're in design, learn Midjourney and learn how to direct it. If you're in customer service, learn how to manage and improve AI chatbots. Month 3. Position yourself. Have a conversation with your manager about becoming the person who manages AI implementation in your department. Volunteer for automation projects. Show that you understand both sides, the technology and the business impact. At Digital Dev, we work with businesses going through exactly this transition. We help them implement AI systems, but we also help them identify which employees should be retrained versus replaced. If you're leading a team, this is the conversation you need to have now, not next year. Comment below. What's your biggest worry about AI and your job? Are you already seeing automation happening at your workplace? I read every comment and want to know what's real for you right now. Subscribe because next week we're breaking down the exact 23 AI tools every professional needs to know in 2025 to stay competitive. This is the practical toolkit most people are missing. Don't miss it. Visit mdigitaldev.com to learn how we help businesses and professionals navigate AI automation. Whether you're implementing AI at your company or preparing yourself for the future of work, we have resources specifically for this moment. Next week, we're diving into the exact skills and tools that are actually in demand right now. The insider list of what's actually hiring in the AI economy. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you catch that breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.